Welcome back to Upcoming Auto Reviews, your go-to source for the latest in cutting-edge automotive tech and performance. Today, we're diving into the thrilling 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000R, a superbike that continues to redefine precision and speed on two wheels. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a performance enthusiast, the GSX-R1000R promises an unmatched experience. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 GSX-R1000R brings subtle but meaningful design updates, staying true to its aggressive sportbike DNA. With sharper aerodynamic lines, new color schemes, and LED enhancements, it commands attention whether it's parked or flying down the track. The chassis remains compact and lightweight, ensuring ideal mass centralization and rider control at high speeds. Performance and engine. Under the fairings lies Suzuki's tried-and-tested 999.8 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, refined for 2025 with even smoother power delivery and emissions compliance. Producing over 200 horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. The advanced variable valve timing system ensures optimal performance across the rev range, making it a beast on the straights and agile in corners. Electronics and features. Packed with top-tier electronics, the GSX-R1000R features a bidirectional quick shifter, 10-level traction control, launch control, and a race-derived inertial measurement unit (IMU). The TFT dash is crisp and customizable, while the Suzuki Drive Mode Selector Alpha lets riders fine-tune the throttle response and power delivery to suit their style or the road ahead. Ride and handling. Suzuki's show a balance-free suspension returns, offering premium handling and comfort whether you're carving canyons or tearing up the track. Brembo brakes ensure precise stopping power, and the Bridgestone RS11 tires provide confidence-inspiring grip in all conditions. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000R stays true to its heritage while embracing the future. It's fast, smart, and ready to take on any superbike in its class. Stay tuned to upcoming auto reviews for more high-octane updates and hit that subscribe button for the latest in automotive performance.